Yo guys, in today's video I will show you how to lower volume in Premiere Pro. So I just get video onto my timeline and it's a bit too loud. No worries though. Here's the quick fix. Right click on that audio clip and navigate to audio gain. See that 0 dB? Click on it and adjust the gain to negative like 5. Hit OK. But hey, what if you want to dial it down even more? Here is shortcut. Select the clip and tap that GK on your keyboard. That's pop up back. Once more, set that just gain by another negative value. It's additive. I'm going with negative 5. Make it smooth, negative 10. Hit OK. Play your video and now notice how the volume gracefully bows down to your liking. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.